Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a filter like this. For example, I select fall and spring. Directly it selects only the rows included in spring and fall. If you want to make more filter, just from here you can do it. Let's create a filter like this. First, select these rows, then from data, select filter. Directly we get this symbols here. If you want to filter this data according to season, for example, I selected spring and summer. Okay, directly it shows the rows included in spring and summer. Then if you want to filter more, just from months, for example, I selected August and July and June. Directly it selects this rows only. Also, if you want to remove a filter, just select these cells. Again, from data, click filter. Directly filter removes. If you see this tutorial helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.